Hi guys, the Frugal Gal here. I'm coming to you because I want to share with you some necklaces that I've run across I have for sale. I hadn't got around to auctioning them off, so I don't want to list them individually. As you know, I'm moving over to focusing more on selling clothes. We'll still be doing some jewelry. So I have them hung up here, and I want to offer you this deal here on my YouTube channel first. So you might have seen these in my preview auction. I never got around. I hung this one up because I needed to show it to you because it gets tangled easily. This is a beautiful necklace. It's a nautical theme. Still is new with tags on it. It says best of everything on the tag. On the back, I think the original price was $9.99 from what I can see. It's faux pearls and it's got the nautical theme here in the middle. It's several strands. It's got the ribbon running through. It's just really nice and a really nice necklace. Very long. I'm not going to measure them because I'm going to sell these to you at just a fabulous price. So I also have this multi-stranded chain necklace that comes down with these jewels on there, you can see, and this is all one necklace here, all of this. So it's kind of heavy and it's in excellent, these are all in excellent condition. Now this is the pays for the price of all the necklaces. This is a new on tag, you can see up here, from Nordstrom Rack. And it is original price of $19.97, so you guys could resell that really easy. Really pretty gold tone necklace. Then we have another one here that's new on tag, and it's just, I don't know, I'm not recognizing this brand. It's just called Intro, I think. So it's lead free. And it's really, it reminds me of sort of a Native American design where it comes down with the beads on a pendant like this. And then we have this necklace here, which has these, I'm not sure if these are stones or not, or just plastic. They're not cold, so I think they're just plastic. And it's got a tassel on the end of it. It's really pretty. And then we have this one, gold tone, and then it's got these rhinestones that are really pretty on it. Now, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 necklaces you're getting. 6 beautiful necklaces, and this one, like I said, is Nordstrom Rack, and it was originally $20, $19.97. So 6 necklaces for $20 plus shipping, and it will be over £1 shipping, so I will ship it to you the cheapest I can, which would probably be in a flat rate box, I would think. So if you would like this, be the first one to say want down in the comments. You just need to be able to pay for it. Now I'll bill you through PayPal. If I don't have your email information, my email is down there in the description. And thanks, you guys. As I clean out and get stuff cleaned out, I'll offer some more jewelry in lots for really reasonable prices. So $20, 6 necklaces. One of them's a off Nordstrom Rack, still new with the tags. And I'll talk to you guys later. Thanks. Bye.